Manipur Information Commission today kicked off Right to Information Week Celebration 2024 during a program which was held at Auditorium Hall of Directorate of Information and Public Relations. Speaking in the program, Chairperson of Manipur State Pollution Control Board, Dr. Mspcb said, Right to Information enhances democracy and makes it more vibrant by promoting participation from the citizens. He urged people to utilize RTI in correct manner and to ensure transparency and accountability in governance. Mspcb also warned against wrong use of RTI with the aim to seek vengeance or blackmail government officials. On the other hand, Manipur Information Commission State Information Commissioner Koijam Radesham highlighted the significance of organizing Right to Information Week celebration. He said the celebration will help in creating awareness to people about benefits of RTI in democracy. A workshop was also held as part of the celebration in which participants deliberated on various sections of RTI Supreme Court judgments in the past in connection with RTI.
democracy, yang bisa bersama aduba, bagi alam itu tersajiba, jadi jadi tahu iba, kita boleh dari sana iba, kita masih bisa, apa yang apa lain lagi itu perlu kita boleh kita, asal kita nomi kita beri.
RTIC popularized over citizens in the Masigi Grossi, in the Kanganba, Loyana, for the public authority singso, Magi capacity building have that, Masi effectively implement on Nova Adubi, Wakalo, the Woken, not only the Kangan, but a public authority is high take issue, the way of the Washing effectively the way India democracy, democracy, I would say Magi, and strengthen the we have the citizens, citizens inform in Patavani, RTI Ekna, Koina, Hamiba, Pandamdi, accountability, Amadi, transparency, Lehenma, Loidana, corruption, content over government, Hena responsible, Henba, Loidana, government instrumentality, public Hena, responsible and responsive, Henabagi, Wakaloni.